Hello folks. Hey, you know what I'm doing here? I'm trying to put crown moldings up on top. You guys ever played with wood before? Yeah, me neither. So here's the crown molding I'm going to put on. I did this molding on the bottom. That came out pretty good. All right, you got to try it, right? Don't be afraid to try something. So right now I'm working on making a little template up there to put the 1x6 up there. All right. Like I said, I don't play with wood, so I bought a little chop saw. I bought a little table saw. Just chop up the wood. Get some sample cuts on what angles that you need. It's all trial and error. All right, that's how I got these to go. Okay, now I'm going to work up on top. So what we're going to do up there is I put a template up there so I can nail the 1x6s up. See, all the way in the corner. After that's up, then I'm going to go and put the crown moldings up, which is that. Okay, that goes on an angle, just like that. So even if you mess up just the first half of the 6 inches there, 5 inches, you'll be okay. I did pretty good with the angles. I'm going to show you, I'm going to climb up on top. I'm going to show you what I did with the little template up there. Take the little ladder. So when I put these cabinets up there, I put them up there with 6 inches left from the top because I was going to put crown molding on. So I put a little temporary little paint job up there. Now there's wood here. There's little 1x3s, I'm going to assume. I forgot already. But anyway, what I did was I followed on top of the cabinets. I made a little template all the way around. I reinforced it with some blocks. Okay, and in certain areas, I put another block underneath to make up for the space. Okay, because there's a little clearance between top here and the bottom there. And what I did was I screwed it in. So I'm going to show you over here. Little spice rack here, see? Little screw. Holds onto a little block of wood. The block of wood is screwed onto there. So that means that this piece here is not going to move. It's also removable because on that side, there's a little pipe, a vent pipe that goes into the roof. So in case I ever have to remove it, all I have to do is basically just unscrew this piece that's over there. I just made a little short piece and that'll come right out. So I'm gonna make that kind of removable. But yeah, I did the brickwork here too. All right, so basically I put a little template there. I followed along, a little reinforcement in the corners. Okay, over here I made a little space so that the 1x6 would fit perfectly. It'll be just a little bit sticking out, or a little sticking in, but nobody's gonna see it because it's gonna be on this type of an angle anyway. So nobody's gonna see anything. So I'm gonna grab this piece of wood here. Okay, I'm gonna put it up. I wanna show you what that looks like. Without dropping it, of course. All right, so I put it up here. I had to trim it because all ceilings are not always flat. So you can tell I took a little piece of wood on top off, so it can fit almost flush. See that? And I'm not worried about that little gap there because the crown molding is going to go right across. All right, so see, that sits on top of the cabinets, just like that. I don't want it to fall. Then I'm just going to nail it right into the template right there. Got the other finished piece right there. That'll go there. And then I'm going to start to cut the crown moldings, which goes on an angle from the ceiling to there. And then you nail it there, and then you find the studs that are in here, and you nail it in there. So basically, I'm just telling you guys, don't be afraid to try it. It's not going to kill you. You waste some wood trying to get the angles and stuff, but do it yourself. That's the whole thing, right? DIY. It's all there. That's pretty good. All right. That's it. Thanks for watching.